Hey guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, share, likes, and watch this video. This is my video number 13. Okay guys, congratulations to all those passers of mathematics teachers and all let passers from the Philippines and even also in other countries and those who already passed in the civil engineering board exam. Congratulations for this year 2019. Okay guys, please share my video. This will help you a lot in order you to recall everything in mathematics, whether it's a grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, grade 10, grade 11, and even also there are some questions for civil engineering mathematics exam, teachers board exam. Guys, take note, this will help you a lot in order you to recall everything in math. But see to it that everything should be in fine. If you have already your calculator, press know how to use the calculator. And also, if you want to pass in the board exam, like math teachers board exam, civil engineering board exam, see to it that you have a lot of reviewers. And at the same time, you have a lot also buy other books so that you can recall in everything in your math lesson. Okay, let's proceed for 126. This is my problem. Okay, 126. A pole is a 10-meter long cast shadow, 10 meters long. What is the angle elevation of the sun? So, when we speak considered about the pole, this refers to a plug pole. And we will consider to draw a right triangle. So, therefore, if this is the pole, suppose this is a plug pole, then after that, it will cast a shadow. So, it means to say, if there is a sun here, there is a shadow, and after that, there is a height with the 10 meters and another height for the 10 meters. We know that this is opposite side and this is the adjacent side. Okay. And after that, we considered as this one a tangent. So, automatically, 10 meters divided by 10 meters will be equal to 1. And we know that the tangent, 45 degrees, automatically is equal to 1. So, the angle elevation of this is equals to 45 degrees. So, the answer is 45 degrees of tangent. So, this is what you call the angle elevation. Okay. So, let's proceed for number 27. So, let's try. Let's proceed for 127. 127, the best remaining to get the x cubed plus y cubed is get the preceding x plus y. The best way to get the technique. Eliminate this b and d. And the remaining is will be x plus y and then x plus y. Choose of the two. We know that x plus y multiplied by x minus y will become x squared minus y squared. And the center will become 0. And for letter C, how do we get this one? Let's try to multiply. X squared minus xy plus y squared multiplied by x plus y. This will become y cubed negative xy squared. And then x squared y. And then this will become x y squared. This will become x squared y. And then x times x will become x cubed. And then this will become y cubed then cancel, and the remaining will become x cubed and then y cubed. So that will be our final answer. So this is the two factor. X plus y, x squared minus xy plus y squared. Let's proceed for 128. 128. What is the sum of integers 1 to 100? We note that the sum of integers, or the summation for arithmetic sequence, which is n plus 1 divided by 2. So 100 automatically is our n. That will be our n. And then 100 plus 1 divided by 2. So automatically, this will become 100 times 101 divided by 2. The answer is 10,100. Am I correct? 10,100. 100 times 101. The answer is 10,100 divided by 2. The answer is 5,050. So this is our final answer. So the answer is 5,050. Okay, let's proceed for 129. Let's proceed for 129. Okay, let's try to erase this one again. Let's proceed for 129. Do we have 129 here? Okay, 129. What is the two factor of 4x squared minus 12x plus 9? Guys, this is very easy. This is not just only for grade 7. Sometimes, if you want to become a genius, guys, and I think the YouTube will accept this one is for the children, because 4x squared minus 12x plus 9, automatically, if we will speak about the 4x, there is a two quantity here. We have the 2x, and the other one will be 2x. Am I right? And then, automatically, if this is positive 9, this will be another one, will be 3, because 3 times 3 is 9. And the other one will be negative. Automatically, this will become negative, because negative times negative is positive 9. 2x times 2x will be 4x squared. And this will become negative 6x. And the other one will be also negative 6x. So the center will be negative 6x will be, and the answer is 2x minus 3 quantity squared. So the answer is letter B. So the answer is letter B. Okay. Hey guys, again, let's proceed for 130. If the measure of an angle exceeds twice its supplement by 30, find the measure of the angle. Suppose, let's have x. Let's try to have an x as the value of angle side. So, x be a known number. Measure of the angle. And then, let's proceed that 180 minus 2 with the measure of the angle. And then after that, so let's have proceed for this one. Automatically, x is equals to 2 times 180 minus x. Sorry, this will be the x. And then, take note, exceed twice, supplement by 30. So, this will be the 30. So, again, so 2 times 180, this will become 360. And the other one will be 2x and plus 30. So, 360 minus 30 or 30, that's correct, or 360 plus 30, and then x transpose, this will become 2x, this will become 3x is equals to 390. Automatically 3x 390 divided by 3 divided by 3, x will become 130. So our answer is letter B. Take note, the answer is letter B. So if the measure of an angle exceeds twice, supplement by 30, find the measure of the angle. So x minus x as the measure of the angle, and x is the measure of the angle, and we will proceed for the supplement. So this is the first equation, multiply 2x plus 30. Then after that transpose, this will become positive. X plus 2x will become 3x. And 360 plus 30 will become 90. And then 3x is equals to 390 divided by 3 divided by 3. And x will be 130. Okay, let's proceed for 131. So this will be 131. Where is our 131? 131. Okay. A rectangular box is to be 4 feet long and 2 feet wide. 2 feet is wide. How high must it to be have a volume of 24 cubic feet? And we know that the rectangular prism or rectangular box is just like this one, right? Okay, so automatically this represent as a 4 feet long, and the other one is 2 feet. And the total volume is 24 feet cube or cubic feet, by the way. So we know that the volume is length times width. Okay, multiplied by length times width times height. So our length will be 4 feet. Our width will be 2 feet. And this is done missing. So the total volume will be 24 feet cube. And then if we will multiply this one, this will become 8 feet squared. And then 24 feet cube. And the unknown will be the height. So automatically, height is equals to 24 feet cube divided by 8 feet squared. And then cancel feet. And then 24 divided by 8 will become 3. So the answer is 3 feet. So the answer is letter C. Memorize the formula for the rectangular prism. Okay, let's proceed for 132. Okay, let's proceed for 132. This is our equation. Okay, guys, welcome to number 32 again, 132. And let's proceed for our next number. Again, if 4 subtracted from 1/4 of a number, the result is 20. Find the other number. Suppose this is the problem. X will be a known number. Automatically, x over 4, take note from, and then minus 4 is equals to 20. So, let's proceed for the LCD. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times x is x. 4 divided by 1 will be 4. And then 4 times 4 will become 16 is equals to 20. So, automatically cross multiply x minus 16. 4 times 20 will become 80. And then x will be 80 plus 16. Transpose. So, x will become 96. So, the answer is letter B. Take note. The answer is letter B. Okay, let's proceed for 133. Tangent beta is equals to 2/3. Find the value of tangent beta plus 45. But guys, take note before we proceed for this tangent B plus 45 beta. Let's try to recall the sum of two angles within the tangent. We know that the tangent which is A plus B is the same as tangent A plus tangent B 1 minus tangent A times the tangent B. So, let's use this data in order to get the tangent beta plus 45. Recall, let's try to recall our tangent A plus B. Okay. So, again, let's proceed for the formula. We know that tangent beta plus 45 degrees is equals to tangent beta plus tangent 45 all over 1 minus tangent beta tangent 45. Right? And we know that the beta, we have the 2/3 plus 1 divided by 1. And then tangent, we have the 2/3. And though that the tangent 45 is equals to 1. Tangent 45 is equals to 1, right? So, we will place as 1 here, multiplied by 1. So, we know, if we will get this one, this will become 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Is that correct? And then, 1 times 2 will be 2. 2 divided by 3. 3 divided by this become 3. And the other one will become, this will become 1 minus 2/3 will become, so the answer will become this one. So, the answer is 5 over 3 in the above. Take note, 5 over 3. And the answer for the number 1, we have 3 divided by 1 is 3. 3 divided by 3 will be 1. The answer is, we have 2, 3 minus 2 will be 1/3. So, automatically, so we have 5 and 3 in the above, and then 1/3. So, if we will multiply this one, so 5 over 3 times, what do you call this one? 3 over 1, 3 Yes. 3 over 1. And then the answer is 5. So the answer is letter A. Take note. Okay. Let's try to, for the tangent B will become 2/3. Tangent 45 will become 1. Is that correct? And then 1. Tangent B will become 2/3. Tangent 45 will become 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 divided by 1 will become 3. 3 times 1 will become 3. The answer is 2 plus 3 will become 5 divided by 3. And then the other one is 2 times 1 will become 2. And then 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. So the answer 3 minus 2 is equals to 1/3. So this will be the first. Automatically, this is the fourth of division. 5, 3. Reciprocal will become 3 divided by 1. So cancel 3 and 3. So 5 divided by 1 will become 5. So the answer is letter A. Take note, the answer is letter A. Okay. Let's proceed for 134. Okay, you need to memorize the two angles. The tangent A, tangent B. Okay, let's proceed for 134. Okay, let's proceed for 134. What is the area of the circle inscribed in a square having a side of 6 inches? We know that the area of a circle is pi r squared. And this is the diagram. Inscribed in a square, it means to say there is a square, and after that, inside the square, there is a circle. So, guys, take note. Area will be pi r squared. And we know 6 inches and r is for the radius divided by 2 will become 3. Is that correct? And we know pi times 3 squared, square inch, take note square inch, we know that this will become 9 square inch. So 3 times 3 is 9. And the answer is 9 pi square inch. So the answer is letter A. Take note, this is 6 inches. And we know the half of 6 is 3 inches. And then after that, we proceed for our formula. Okay, let's proceed for 135. Okay, let's proceed for the 135. Okay, 135. This is the formula or the given. A circle has its center -4 and +2, and its tangent to the line 3x plus 4y minus 5 is equals to 0. What is the radius of a circle? So, let's try to have a diagram regarding with our data or with this mathematical sentence. And we know, let's try to have this one as an x and y. I'm not good in drawing, but okay. So, again, let's have negative, let's have a +2, -4 and +2. Okay, how do we get a 4? So, again, -1, -2, -3, -4. Am I correct? and then negative 1, positive 1, and positive 2. So, if we will draw a radius, so automatically, okay, and then there is a tangent here, suppose. And then, let's have a circle. Okay, this is the negative 4, and this is the 2 to this one. This is what you call the radius. So, when we speak about the radius, we have the formula for ax1 plus by1 plus c, and the square root of a squared plus b squared. Am I right? So again, let's try to r will be, let's have 3, substitute the negative 4, plus 4 times 2 minus 5, and we know that there is a preceding negative, multiplied by 3 squared plus 4 squared, but negative 3 times 4 will become negative 12 plus 8 minus 5. Am I correct? This will become square root of 9 plus 16 will become 25, and then, so the answer is, radius will become, take note, negative 3 and 4 times negative 12. 4 times 2 will become 8. And then 5. 3 squared will become 9. Plus 16. 9 plus 16 will become 25. And the answer is negative 9 over 5. Or radius will become 9 over 5. Okay. So the answer is letter C, 9 over 5. Okay, you need to memorize this formula. And then substitute the 3x plus 4y. So negative 4 plus 2 minus 5. 3 squared will become 9. 9 plus 16, is that correct? Will become 25. And then 12 plus 8 minus 5 will become 9, because this will become 13, negative 13. Negative 13, correct? So, negative divided by negative will become positive. And the answer is 9 over 5. Okay. This one. 25, square root of 25 is 5. And there is a preceding negative. So, the answer is 9. But, if you will look for this one, this will be our 3x plus 4y minus 5. So, this is the tangent. So, this will be our equation. Take note. This is the x and y axis. Okay. Okay, a digital clock was sold at a loss for 200 pesos and had a selling price of 250 pesos. The gain would be loss of 3/4 loss. Find the buying price of the digital clock. Take note, guys. Let's have a procedure for this one. Let X be the buying price. Let X be the buying price. And then, after that, it is loss for the 200. So, x minus 200 for the loss. This is for the loss. And then, had a selling price. So, we have 250 is equals to x plus 3/4 x minus 200. And then, after that, 250 is equals to x. This will become, what is the 3x over 4 minus, and this will become 600 divided by 4. This will become 150. Plus x, the 250. So, again, and if we will make this one for our, this will become 250 plus 150. Sorry, 150. And then, after that, x plus 3x, LCD of 4. This will become, this will become 4. So, automatically 4x. 4 divided by 1 will be 4x. And then, 4 divided by 3x automatically 3x. So, 400. And then cross multiply, this become 600, right? Equals to 7x divided by 7 divided by 7. And the answer is 228.57. So, let's try to divide this one. The answer is 228.57. So, this will be the answer, 228.57. I repeat, x will be the buying price, x minus 2x, and then the 3/4 of loss. So, multiply. So, 600 divided by 4, the answer is 150. Is that correct? And then, after that, we will proceed 150 to 250. 350, 250 plus 150 will become 400. And then, 4 divided by x, 4x. 4 divided by 1 will be 3x. So, 3x plus 4x will be 7x. Cross multiply, 1,600 divided by 7. The answer is 228.57. 0.57. So, the best answer is letter B. Take note, guys, letter B. That will be the procedure of our buy price. 258 or 228.57. Okay.